Hello, my coconuts. Welcome back to my channel, Extra Rice with KoKo. Yes, okay, I've had a bad day and I don't care, but I'm still going to be uplifting and I'm still going to be positive and I'm still going to give y'all guys a video. So welcome back, my coconuts. If you are new to my channel, welcome and thank you for joining me. If you could go on ahead and bless me by subscribing to my channel, ringing that bell for notifications so that you know when a new video like this one right here is happening. Comment, like, and share. I'm having a terrible day. I don't purr. So what happened is, I resort back to my fat boy ways. And I was like, whatever. You know what I'm going to get today? McDonald's. Boom, boom. So I got what did I get? Okay, so I got they were having a special. It was like the buy one, get $1 for the second one. So I got the Big Mac and nuggets, which came out to like $8. And then I got a McDouble bundle, which came with small fry. And I'm drinking a lemonade. Let's dig in. I'll probably eat this McDouble first, because that's what I was craving earlier. Boom. Let's dig in. Wow. I haven't had McDonald's in forever. Wow. Fries are like lukewarm, but they're still good. Okay. So, I'm gonna tell you why I'm having a bad day. Have you ever gone to an appointment, and I'm gonna keep it very generic, and just say appointment. It could be anything. Get your hair done, dentist, doctor, whatever. And you get all the way there, and they cancel the freaking appointment when you're already there. Now you know I'm having a bad day. But you know what? I'm not going to complain. I'm not going to complain. It is what it is. I'm sorry I can't see the food. Let me see. Okay. So what happened was I was in the middle of talking, and I don't know where this left off, and it's because the camera cut off. If that's just not a sign for the day. So I'm gonna interject this part of the video. I don't know where I left off. I was just talking and talking and talking. And I don't even remember where I stopped talking or what I was talking about. I know I was talking about I spent $40 on wasted to go nowhere. This is annoying. And then I know that I said because I was in a bad mood, I was gonna treat myself to McDonald's. But I know that's not the healthiest choice in the world, but there's a nostalgic part to it. So if I repeat myself again on this video, I'm sorry. It's because it cut off and I'm just repeating it. I don't know why. Like, do you guys want to hear that? Yeah, there's a nostalgic part to McDonald's because I used to play on the playgrounds back in the day when I was young and not a kid anymore. And I still like McDonald's now, so I'm not one of these like fast food people snobs who are like, yo, I don't eat there. And then when they're intoxicated, they eat there all the time. Makes no sense. You know you eat there. Everybody does. It's just how many times you eat there a week. Like, 1 or 2 meals is okay. Every day is a little bit much. But I know there's a lot of people out there do it every day. No tea, no shade, because you're probably healthier than I am. Because no matter what I do, it seems like this big behind ain't losing no weight. But whatever. Again, I'm just doing my part. I'm making better choices, but I'm also not saying no to myself for everything. It's like, I'm sorry. I don't like that school of like totally restricting everything in your life. I'm gonna tell you it might work for other people. It don't work for me. If I'm restricted on stuff, I do not like that. Anyway, so that's what happened. Now I'm just having this is my lunch. For breakfast, it has soup. You know what? It's okay though, because I was craving this last week. And again, with the saying no, I said no because I was trying to be good to myself. But because of today, I said go ahead and do it. Go on ahead and get it. And then they were having that special. So I said, yes, let's do this. Oh my God. As if, like, I can't do anything. Hold on. So funny. Who knows when I'll put this video out, so I'm not even gonna say happy Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, love. Who knows that song? We were talking about it with my friends on how, like, certain songs and certain singers reveal people's age. And I was telling my friend, I was like, listen, I was playing Tina Marie. And if you like Tina Marie, you're of a certain age demographic. Or you grew up on it, or somebody grew up on it. That reveals your age. Okay. I just love sauce. I love sauce. Okay, you guys. I'm not eating the Big Mac. This was enough of an unhealthy meal. I had a small fry, 10 nuggets, and a McDouble. That satisfied my fast food. Okay, baby. Thank you for joining me. I hope you like this. Because I don't do many. Do I do a lot of fast food mukbangs? I haven't done it in a while. I haven't done it in a while, I guess. I do the same ones anyway. The two places I go to, McDonald's and Popeyes, and sometimes Taco Bell. I don't really go anywhere else, and any other time, I make my own food. So, you guys, thank you so much. I really had a bad day, but I hope this brightens up your life. Thank you so much for joining me. If you are new to my channel and you enjoyed this video, please subscribe. Subscribe. Comment, like, and share. Love you all. Blessings on blessings on blessings on blessings.